How does our Key Arena stack up, and how do you like it so far?
It's very special to me. I know what a struggle it was for the Sonics. They got a beautiful building. It's intimate, the sight lines are great, the decorations are terrific. I think Seattle should be very proud of what's going on here tonight.
The state-of-the-art facility is a great thing for a community to have. Key Arena is not a state-of-the-art facility. I think that Senator Gorton and the mayor are determined to exact whatever pound of flesh is possible here, and they will, and then the team will leave.
You said Seattle was a great city with great fans, but if even great cities with great fans can lose their longtime team, what does that say to other cities?